Yes, sir. Rolling big power. That's what the big R for. Rolling big power. The other way. You got it upside down.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Tunes in your area.
What up, YouTube? We are back with another lit video. We're back in my shop. Today we're getting the decals put on. Got the rolling big power, got the fuel sign, and yeah, you know, we tapping all the way in, man, from a long weekend. Shout out to 4T, you know what I'm saying, getting this thing out the desert. You know, dope video shoot that we had, but today, yeah, putting on the decals. They finally came on there. So we back at Solar Tent. Y'all know my spot. What's going down today? Y'all tap in, we'll be right back. So we're gonna put the big star on each side, the driver door, put the crown right here, cause I'm the king, and we'll put the fuel sign right here. So, boy, about to get it popping. Y'all stay tuned. They got some little ones in there too, so be careful. Yes, sir. Rolling big power. That's what the big R for. Rolling big power. The other way. You got it upside down. Yeah, like that. And then you got the small ones.
You show me the picture, right?
Yeah, I'll show it to you.
That way I wanna figure out.
You see? This is the little ones. It's like these two. He's about to cover it up anyway. Those one of those for each side. That makes sense?
Send me the picture you have.
All right.
My phone.
Gotcha.
I wanna keep looking.
You wanna talk, it's okay. I'm just trying to make it work. You wanna go, I think you should know it's okay. I'm just trying to make it work. I'm running low on patience. Baby, you know what I need. These hoes, you know they chasing, but baby, you satisfy me. I'm trying to build with you. I wanna love. They also still wishing they know I'm fucking. Baby, you know it. You got my heart, you want it. I keep on running up. I wanna talk, you wanna talk, it's okay. I'm just trying to make it work. You wanna go, I think you should know it's okay. I'm just trying to make it work. I'm running low on patience. Baby, you know what I need. These hoes, you know they chasing, but baby.
Tunes in your area.
This gon' be the realest shit I ever spoke. Yeah, this is the
Yeah. See it,
No more
guys.
advertisement.
No more sound big, yeah, blah, blah, blah.
Free advertisement.
Beat Jug CEO. Beat Jug is the name of my company for y'all that don't know. And I am the CEO. Yes, sir. Who's gonna be driving the tank? Me. The Beat Jug CEO. You see it, man. My man get me right here. Man, y'all be sure to tap in. Solar Tent, Burbank. You did my decals today. They did my tent. You see it, rolling big power. And of course, they're getting me right with the replacing the license plate with the BJ CEO. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the decals, rolling big power. Y'all comment below. Make sure you comment below. Like, comment, subscribe. See it. Let's get it. And like that, you guys, this video is a wrap. Y'all be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Show love, spread it, tell a friend, tell a friend. Like that, on to the next video. Yee. Peace.